think we got a package. I think my hatch green chili is here. Go check it out. We're going to try these salsas out. I have the 0 carb ones, so that way we don't add too many calories to the mix. Let's go ahead and test all of these guys out, so that way we can see if they're good as they say they are. We got some chicken right here that we are going to add to our little wraps, so that way we have a little something to put it onto. Add a little bit of chicken to the wrap. We're going to be using the Hatch Pure Green Chili. There it is. Let's test it out. Cheers. Oh wow. It's really that good. Just taste the smokiness to it. Definitely, as I said, has more of an earthy flavor to it. But it's really good. That is good. Nice consistency, nice and thick, as they say. We have 2 more left. So we had 1 medium green sauce. This one's gonna be a little bit hotter. So there it is, the crack. You definitely can tell there's a much stronger smell to it. So let's go ahead and add our chicken again. Okay, let's pour it on. There it is. Take a bite. Oh, that's so good. That is really good. Has a nice kick to it. Now, I like hot sauce. When I get that kick, I'm like, yep, that's definitely it right there. You can feel the heat. It's not like, well, for me at least, it's not very overbearing. I like this amount of heat. This is like a perfect amount of heat. For some that aren't used to hot sauce or hot, spicy things, probably be scalding their mouth by now, but for me, totally fine. There's a nice balance between heat and flavor, for sure. But again, a little bit more on the heat side of things compared to the pure green. That was really good. Well, let's go ahead and try the last one, which is Randy's salsa, which is hot. Ooh, smells really good. And there it is there. Put it on. Oh, look at that. Let's try this guy out. Oh yeah. This one has more of a sweet flavor. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's hot or not, just because I had the hot sauce. Maybe I should work my way up. But both of these are hot, so I'm not sure. This one's good though. So if you're looking for something that is a little bit more mild, you choose a mild sauce. Then if you want the kick, which I really like, you're gonna get the 575 green hot sauce, green sauce hot. Last but not least, if you want something a little bit more sweet but still have a little bit of heat, you're gonna get the Hatch Randy's salsa hot right here. And again, you're definitely gonna tell the difference. They all have really natural flavors to them, because what they say is that they pretty much just take it from the ground, bring it in, and roast it. Thanks for watching the review, guys. Go check out the Fresh Chile Co. They got some really great other varieties as well, not just these 3, and they are really homemade, right into the jar pretty much. Definitely worth buying again for sure. If If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get to those questions as best as I possibly can. And as per always, it's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.